Hey everyone, welcome back to Pro Auto Tips. If you've ever noticed your engine revving up and down while idling, it can be frustrating and a little worrisome. But don't panic just yet. Today we're breaking down the common causes of this issue and some easy DIY fixes you can try at home. First, let's understand what is RPM. RPM, or revolutions per minute, is a parameter that affects vehicle performance, closely linked to power and torque. Simply put, RPM refers to the number of times the engine's crankshaft completes a full rotation every minute. It essentially measures how fast the engine is running. When your car is in idle, your engine should maintain a steady RPM, usually between 600 and 1000 RPM depending on the vehicle. Let's discuss why your engine RPM go up and down while parked. 1. Dirty or faulty idle air control valve. The IAC valve controls how much air bypasses the throttle plate when the car is idling. If it's dirty or malfunctioning, it can cause uneven airflow, leading to RPM surges. If your valve is dirty, just remove it, properly clean it, and reinstall. This should help smooth out your idle if the IAC was the problem. 2. Vacuum leaks. Vacuum leaks are another big culprit. A vacuum leak can cause unmetered air to enter the intake manifold. This unmetered air throws off the engine's air-fuel ratio, causing the engine control unit to adjust fuel delivery in an attempt to balance it. This constant readjustment leads to the RPM surging up and down as the engine struggles to maintain a stable idle. To find vacuum leaks, inspect your hoses for any cracks or loose connections. You can also spray carb cleaner around the hoses. 3. Dirty mass airflow sensor. The MAF sensor tells your engine how much air is coming in. The ECU relies heavily on the MAF sensor to maintain the correct air-fuel ratio. When the sensor is dirty, it may cause mess with that balance, leading to RPM fluctuations at idle. If your MAF sensor is dirty, use MAF sensor cleaner to carefully clean it. 4. Faulty throttle position sensor. The throttle position sensor monitors the position of the throttle and communicates it to the ECU. If the sensor fails, it may send incorrect signals and may cause erratic throttle control. This causes the ECU to adjust fuel and air delivery incorrectly, leading to inconsistent idling. Inspect your throttle position sensor. If possible, test it by using a multimeter. 5. Fuel system issues. The fuel system ensures a steady supply of fuel to the engine. If fuel pressure is too low due to a faulty fuel pump, clogged fuel filter, or a bad fuel injector, the engine won't get enough fuel to maintain a smooth idle. The ECU will try to compensate by adjusting fuel delivery, causing the RPM to rise and fall. If your fuel injector or fuel injectors are clogged, simply clean them properly or replace them if cleaning is not possible. 6. Malfunctioning oxygen sensor. The O2 sensor monitors the exhaust gases to ensure the engine is running efficiently with the right air-fuel mixture. A faulty sensor can send incorrect data to the ECU, causing erratic fuel delivery and fluctuating RPM. If your O2 sensor is faulty, you can replace it with a few basic tools. If the sensor is dirty, you may just clean it properly. 7. EGR valve problems. If the EGR valve is stuck open or malfunctioning, it will allow too much exhaust gas to enter the engine at idle. This disrupts combustion efficiency, causing the engine to lose power and causing RPM to fluctuate. Check your EGR valve. If it is clogged, you should clean it properly. If your valve is severely clogged, it is recommended to replace it. 8. Battery or alternator problems. The engine relies on electrical power from the alternator and battery to keep various sensors, ignition systems, and fuel injectors working properly. If the battery is weak or the alternator isn't generating enough power, these components won't function as intended. This may cause the ECU to struggle with maintaining a stable idle, leading to RPM surging or dropping unexpectedly. It is recommended to test the battery and alternator and replace them if needed. 9. Clogged throttle body. A dirty or clogged throttle body reduces the amount of air entering the engine, leading to an imbalance in the air-fuel mixture. This can cause the engine to rev up and down as it compensates for the restricted airflow. Throttle body cleaning is super easy. Just spray some throttle body cleaner and wipe out the carbon deposits. This improves airflow and can stabilize your RPMs. 10. Dirty or old spark plugs. Spark plugs are responsible for igniting the air-fuel mixture in the combustion chamber. If the plugs are fouled or worn out, they won't ignite the mixture consistently, causing misfires. These misfires lead to uneven engine performance, including erratic RPM at idle. And there you have it. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more DIY car tips.